Hey guys, so I just wanted to tell you, guess what I found? Found some color. So I'm actually at the Elkay booth and I have found cabinets in color. I also found a sink. The sink was a prototype, so I don't really want to take a picture of it because I don't want to disrespect kind of what they're doing. They may not come out with it until like next year, but I did want to show you these cabinets, and they're blue, and they also have the floating shelves to match, so I thought that was really cool. And they also have a red sink, so check it out. Blue cabinets. Elkay is after my heart. I have to get scanned by them so that they can send me stuff, but they're after my heart. And they're really after my heart because they have a red sink. Check this out. So it's one of their quartz luxe sinks. I think last year they said they were going to possibly come out with another color, like a green or a blue or a yellow or something, but it looks like they didn't, but they still have red, which is just fine with me. So I'll let you guys know if I find some more color. Thanks, guys.